stairwell leading up to 1320 Halsey Street, apartment 2L. The first hallway, you make a left. It's one of the bedrooms. I'm just going to pan here. The window. The door that I just came into. Here's a closet over here to the right. Some storage. This door just leads to the hallway, the second door. You have two windows. The radiator there. Going back, retracing my steps. This is the bathroom here. Okay. There's a window there. This is the main living room area. That's Paula, the listing agent. She doesn't come with the apartment. You have a closet, also in the living room. Plenty of windows, nice light. Cabinets, stove, and again, there's the main hallway and the living room area. Okay.